Bench testing in 1959-1960 Cadillac non-fog light option headlight switch, serial number HS12072023, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. Test number 4, dome courtesy light operation. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a fully charged battery, we will boost the battery for the run-up test. Right now we're showing 12.62 volts. Under boost we have 13.88. We'll also monitor the temperature of the rheostat. Right now we're showing ambient at 76 degrees, that's room temperature. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position, front parking lights, tail lights. I'm going to set the rheostat to off position. Back to first position. Again, first position, front parking, tail lights, and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, front parking, tail lights. Second position, headlights come on, front parking lights are off. Back to first position, headlights are off, front parking lights come on and off. Test number 3, dash lights set low to high. First position, rotating the rheostat. We bring the dash lights up to mid-range. Full bright. Monitoring the temperature of the rheostat, now it's 79 degrees. Second position, headlights are on, from parking are off. Rotate the rheostat to mid-range, to low, and off. Back to mid-range. So you'll increase the temperature. Bright and full bright. Back to first position. Front headlights off, parking lights, dash lights set low to mid-range. Off. Full bright and off. Test number 4, dome courtesy light operation. First position, rotating rheostat, grounding the tab on the switch, see indication of dome courtesy light. Second position, grounding the switch tab, dome courtesy light. Off position, we have control of the courtesy light, rotating the pull rod and grounding the tab. And off. Test number 5, circuit breaker test. Telco run the headlight switches and an onboard circuit breaker. There's a bimetallic contact arm. In the event of an overheating of the switch or shorten the wiring, the contact arm would expand and break the circuit from the switch back to the battery. To demonstrate that, we're going to put that in first position. Simulate an overheating of the contact arm, which would expand the arm and break the connection between the switch and the battery. The feature is also available in second position with the headlights on. Overheating of the contact arm breaks the switch circuit from the battery back to the switch. Closed. Back to first position. Demonstrate that again. Overheating the bimetallic arm breaks the circuit. And off. Test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Using a standard 12 volt test light, we see we have continuity back to the battery at the switch chassis. I'm going to probe each terminal of the switch, demonstrate that the switch terminals are insulated from ground. We have the dash light, battery feed, headlights, taillights, parking, dome light ground. We see we have no continuity at any of these terminals. The only continuity we have is back to the chassis, to the battery. This demonstrates that the switch body terminals are insulated from ground.